Excellent. Okay, so the next topic. Configure Windows Firewall. Well, I'm not insisting here because you are familiar with Windows Firewall. Yeah. Advanced firewall, so how to set up profiles, how to implement using group policy. So there is nothing that actually new. How to export the Windows Firewall settings and so. However, this is new, how to implement a software-defined distributed firewall. Yeah, this is actually new. We have, you are installing the network controller role on Windows Server 2016, and you will be able to create a data center firewall based on firewall policies. And, well, it's implemented on a network layer, stateful multi-tenant firewall. And so you are familiar with this network controller, northbound interface, southbound interface, and you can make some connections in the virtual machines, inspecting its stateful inspection. So I mean, it's inspected all layers. Yeah. Network security group, it's another feature new in Windows Server 2012. Yeah. It was available first in Azure, now it's available in the regular implementation of Windows Server 2016. Right. And you could implement access control list rules. Yeah? So you can configure different virtual networks in a virtual environment. It's basically. We have a scenario here. You are in the same network of virtual computers. Yeah, in a virtual network, Hyper-V based. You are implementing, for example, three different segments. Yeah, for separate roles. Yeah. Well. You should be familiar with this, how to, most of the features, again, configure using PowerShell only. There is no different options to configure using a GUI interface. Well, another topic, secure network traffic, IPsec. Very familiar topic here for everybody, but please make sure you are reviewing how to create secure IPsec policies, how to monitor using advanced firewall, which is not new in this version because we have the opportunity there yeah, you have the options, connection security rules there, monitoring, and main mode, and quick mode, and so please be familiar, please review for the exam such topic like IPsec. So DNS CEC, yeah, it's about signing the DNS answers. Yeah, it's not new in Windows Server 2016. However, it's a dedicated topic. It's protecting DNS, so it means signing all DNS answers based on the trust answers. So you have to implement using group policy. You have to implement name resolution policy table. I mean, which answers for specific domains must be signed using a specific certificate. And so you must be familiar with this. DNS policy, this is something new. This is new in Windows Server 2016, DNS policy. You can configure how DNS answers are, well, how to send, how to handle the DNS requests to different DNS servers, and so it's important to, yeah, we have basically a commandlet, add DNS server query resolution policy, and we're doing everything using this. Yeah. But you must be prepared to some options, scenarios, how to use, yeah, you are doing filtering, solving scenarios like split brain DNS, traffic management, redirection, and so using DNS policies. Be familiar with this topic because it's something really new. SMB traffic. So SMB 3.1.1, it's adding, we had previously 3.0, so providing encryption for SMB traffic. Now we have 3.1.1 adding pre-authentication integrity. Well, we're typically handling all configuration of SMB using Windows PowerShell. So be familiar with this, how to set up encryption, how to create shares, and so on and so on. And in the same time, how to disable SMB1, which is very important, yeah, by the way, because you'd remember that attack, WannaCry, and so one of the favorite ways is to propagate attacks using SMB, yeah, if not disabled. So it should be disabled, by the way.